Once again, my name's Jeff and thank you for joining me on my channel, Diecast, Powder Coat and Restoration. Today we'll be restoring a little Matchbox Leslie Austin Cambridge A50. It's number 36A and was produced between 1958 and 1959. Okay, let's have a little look at it. Some little chap 50 odd years ago has decided to paint it half black. I can't blame them, I used to do the same thing myself. But let's start by drilling out the one rivet. And the base comes off fairly easy. I'm now uncrimping the crimped axles, and the wheels came off fairly easy. The model is now back from the sandblasting, so I'm now giving it a quick go over with a wire brush on the drill. And most importantly, giving the casting a good rub down with some acetone. Now it's time to put the castings in the oven to burn out any impurities in the metalwork. It's been there for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. And whilst they're cooking, I'll be giving the wheels a good scrub down with the wife's toothbrush and some soapy water. Axles in the drill with some emery paper to give them a nice shine, clear off the surface rust. Now dropping the wheels into some Pledge Revive It, recommended me by a friend, Martin from Retro Restore channel. It's quite hard to get in the UK, but you can get it on eBay, as I did. The castings are now back from the oven, and now another quick clean with some acetone. Now I do apologise here, unfortunately the camera didn't work when I was powder coating, so the next scene will be of it already done, so I do apologise. And here it is after powder coating and put it in the oven. I've done it with Electrostatic Magic Duck Egg Blue, and it's came out not too bad. The base was done with Electrostatic Magic Gloss Black. Now starting to put the wheels back onto the chassis. Excuse me here, a little bit fingers and thumbs. keep wiggling, eventually they go on. Now I wasn't having much luck with the camera, so here we go with the little bit of chrome trim on the grills, a little bit of red on the lights. I was unable to show you the false rivets going in, pre-drilled, and the rivets put in with super glue. So here she is now, before, half painted blue. Some little darling painted it black on the sides of the bonnet. And let's have a look what she looks like now. I'm quite pleased with the blue, pretty retro colour. I've chromed the bumpers, red tail lights. The wheels are quite polished as they've been in the Pledge Revive It. And there she goes. Once again, thank you very much for watching my video today. Please subscribe if you do like it, and please click that like bell. Thank you. Goodbye for now.